For years, Titebond Original has been a proven winner in the shop. It's perfect for all of your woodworking tasks, but did you know that there's a secret property of Titebond Original that you can use to get a little bit more out of it in your shop? What I mean by that is Titebond Original, once it's dry, can be reactivated with heat. Where would you use this in your shop? Well, it makes it the perfect veneer glue. Let me show you how. So I start with my substrate, and I'm going to apply a thin layer of Titebond Original over the top of it with a foam roller. Now it's important to make sure that every inch of this is covered, so we want a good even coat. Then I'm going to turn my attention to the veneer. I'm going to start with the veneer, and I'm going to wet down the show surface of it. This is going to help minimize curl as we apply glue to the backside and let that dry. I'm going to apply Original just like I did on the substrate. I'm going to use a foam roller and make sure it is complete coverage on the backside of the veneer. Now after about 30 minutes and when that glue is dry to the touch, I'm going to position the veneer over the substrate. Once I'm happy with where it's at, I'm going to use an iron on medium heat to start ironing down the veneer. The heat and steam from the iron is going to go ahead and reactivate Original and stick the veneer down. And it's the same property that's going to make it really easy to fix any bubbles that might pop up a day or two later. You can iron them back down or even use a syringe with Original in it and squirt a little bit of extra glue underneath the bubble before ironing it flat. So this is a great way to go ahead and get a little bit more out of Titebond Original in your shop apart from standard woodworking projects.